Hey, what's going on? It's Cam. I wanted to make a quick video just kind of going through what I have in my backpack. It's really nothing too crazy. My backpack is 40 liters, so I only hold so much space. I have probably maybe about 7 or 8 shirts. I got a sweater. I got a kind of long sleeve, nicer shirt. It has a collar on it, so it's good for if I go to a little bit nicer places. Sunscreen, of course. For me, being white, it's extremely important. A speaker. I also got, obviously, a bathing suit and I use a lot of like workout shorts, which are kind of like what these are here. I also have one of those kind of like super light pairs of like tie pants. Those are super comfortable. Most of my clothes are currently in this bag. I really need to do laundry. What I do though is I fold my laundry and then I put it into a separate bag. Then I take this bag and then put it into my backpack, usually right up here at the top. This way the scent, the smell doesn't really get out, but also at the same time, it stays organized. And when you pack them together in a small bag, you can kind of crush it so it doesn't take up too much space. I also have this pocket here where I keep all my socks. I got underwear as well. This is my Toiletries bag. Just it's a nice leather case, which is pretty durable. In here, I don't have anything too crazy. I got a toothbrush. I have like shower gel or for the soap for the shower. Toothpaste, which I need to buy more. Floss, a mirror. I also have shaving cream. This you got to be careful with these type of cans. A lot of times they won't allow you to bring these on the planes because they can be combustible. So usually between countries, I have to throw them out or just buy new ones when I get there. I recommend if you're buying shaving stuff, also including razors as well, you buy them in the country, mainly because going through security with them can kind of be a bit of a hassle. I also just have some other random knickknacks and stuff like that. I got like antibiotic cream, just to be safe, to make sure in case I get cuts and stuff like that. It's good for healing. I even have a comb that was useful when I had a mustache. Nail clippers. I even have a little case with like some earbuds. These are like throat lozenges, and there's some bandages and such at the bottom. I also have a travel towel. These are amazing. A necessity if you travel, because not all hostels give you towels, but these ones are also just really good, durable. They dry super quick. They're fantastic. I also have 2 hats that I wear. This has been the Tilly hat that I've worn pretty much the entire time I've been traveling. Amazing brands. I literally wear it almost every single day. Whenever I'm doing any adventuring, I'm wearing this hat. Just being bald in general, but also just sun protection is definitely not a joke out here. So having a good solid hat that can, again, durable is the name of the game. Stuff that lasts is super important. I also have this hat that I recently bought. I just got this, I believe, in Thailand. I just wanted another baseball cap that I can kind of throw on and wear when I want to, so I got that. For water bottles, I have this special. It's a grill water bottle. It's really good because there's a filter at the bottom and you kind of like push the whole thing down to filter the water. It's really important and helpful when you're in a pinch and you need water wherever you are. But for the most part, you're usually buying bottled water. Here in Asia, this is kind of the go-to way of drinking. Buying the big bottles are just helpful and good. And a lot of hostels, probably maybe about 50% of them will allow you to fill up water for free. The ones that allow you to fill it up are definitely the best ones. Also, finally too, this is my second backpack. I actually bought this while I've been traveling this backpack because it has been handy. In here, I have a bunch of other knickknacks. All this stuff though, literally everything I have here, all fits in this bag. I can get it all in a 40-liter bag. I just have some other stuff I got got crackers in here. I have a jar of peanut butter, which looks stupid, but 1, I love peanut butter, but 2, it's a great snack on the road because it you don't need to keep it in the fridge. It's healthy and, well, healthy if you buy like the good stuff, like the no sugar stuff that I got here. And it also has protein in it, and I just love peanut butter, so why not? In my bag here, I have my laptop at the back. This also fits in my bag, but usually I keep it in here because it's just, I keep it on me and to be super safe. When I'm actually going out and doing like traveling and going exploring, I usually mainly use this fanny pack. It's a Vans fanny pack. It's, again, I just try and use trusted, good name brands. I love Vans as a brand, and this is a very durable little fanny pack I have here. It's also pretty big. Looks pretty big on camera as well, but I really recommend a bigger fanny pack because it's always better to have more space than you think you need. It's always better to just have extra. It's better to have too much space than not enough, right? In here, it's pretty empty right now because I'm kind of still going through my stuff, but I got my GoPro, I have a portable battery. This is a necessity for sure while traveling. And then I have a whole pocket here at the back where I keep my passport and just some other important documents and such. I keep it in a plastic bag. I would recommend too that if you're traveling, bring a good handful of Ziploc bags. They're just handy and really good to have. And in general too, when you get like plastic bags like these when you travel, they're fantastic to put like laundry in and such, but also if you have sunscreen that you don't want to spill or something, like just having them handy is fantastic. So I always keep a kind of a group of them in my bag. Literally whenever I get them, I just hold on to them. And finally too, I have in my bag, I got my glasses, but I also have a rain cover for my bag. And then I also have a rain jacket. I keep this, again, in my backpack. I usually mainly have this backpack for most of the time on me. When I go out to do stuff, it's good because you can just hold a ton of stuff, and you can keep things like rain jackets, which are good if you don't know if you're gonna need them for sure. Finally, for the last portion of my bag, I do have a whole second front pocket here. In here, I literally just have 2 books. I have a notebook, and then I have a marketing book that I've been reading. I have another pocket here with a bunch of other knickknacks. I got like a charger. I got, what do I even have in here? I got like extra storage for my battery, some ports for my computer, digital camera, and some other, just like cords and stuff, nothing crazy, just tech stuff. Again, if you're not bringing a laptop with you when you travel, it helps. Laptops, if you have pretty big item, which can be pretty heavy. Mine's pretty light, but at the same time, it's also something you need to keep an eye on at all times, kind of, and you just need to be weary about it. Also, there's one final pocket in my bag. This is kind of just like the junk drawer of all random knickknacks and stuff that I have that's kind of important. Like I have a deck of cards, I have a padlock, which is helpful to always help to have. A lot of hostels will give you like keys and stuff to lockers, so you don't always need it. I have this little container of all the money from other countries that I've been to so far. Probably like $2 worth of value in there. This is a super important item as well. This is an outlet for the like a universal charger, kind of, not universal, yeah, universal charger, so you can plug it into any outlet, and also maintains like the voltage so you don't overkill any and fry or any of your batteries and stuff. Super handy to have. Has just pretty much everything on it. Just good, again, exactly, if you're ever in a pinch. A lot of countries have universal ones, like the outlets will look similar to this where anything will work, but it's good to have just in case. In general though, that's pretty much. I think the only thing I didn't really list is I have a workout band, which I use. Nice Amazon little advertisement for them. That's good just to have and use as much as possible. For shoe wear, I wear slides pretty much all the time. And then I also have a pair of running shoes, which are for day to day. But literally, this is pretty much it. This is it for 3 months. It's all you really need, nothing crazy. Clothes that are again durable and reliable, and can be washed over and over again, can get dirty, no problem, is definitely key. The swimsuit is obviously important as well. It's pretty easy thing to forget. A good towel, a good hat, a good water bottle, and then obviously just good other bags too, right? You have a big bag, I have a medium-sized bag, and a small one. Just having the options is really, really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments below. I've been traveling for a while now, so I probably have more advice that I don't really realize that I have. And then in the day, I think that the most important thing is if it fits in your bag, just keep taking it with you. You know what I mean? Like, there's been a few times along my journey where I've thrown something out and be like, oh, why did I do that? Like, it still fit my bag, and then you might find a use for it later. So if it fits, just take it, right? If you're debating if you want to ditch it or not, if there's space for it, just throw it in. It doesn't hurt. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, and yeah, comment if you have any questions, please. So I hope you enjoyed, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.